Welcome back to America Reads. We're college students who create learning activities for kids. Our activities are focused in reading, writing, and math. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you about ratios and ratio language and how we can turn real-world problems into a ratio. Let's begin. We're going to start today's video by first going over the key vocabulary words ratio and ratio language. Then we're going to go into some examples that we will break down and do together and finish up with a problem that you can do on your own to make sure that you're comfortable with this topic. Let's get started. First, we have the definition of ratio. Ratio is a comparison between two or more amounts. Next, we have ratio language. Ratio language is learning how to describe the association between amounts. Now that we have the key vocabulary terms, let's start breaking down real-world problems with ratios. In the first problem, we are looking at the ratio between apples and oranges. If we are shopping for fruit salad and the recipe calls for apples and oranges, we need to figure out how many of each we need to make the perfect fruit salad. First, we're going to start by counting each of them. For apples, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 apples. And for oranges, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this is how we're going to set up the ratio. So for every 8 apples, we have 5 oranges. In this ratio, we are going to be looking at dogs and cats and how many are in the animal shelter to be adopted. Let's start by counting how many of each we have. We'll start with the dogs. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dogs, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cats. Therefore, if we wanted to know how many dogs we have to cats, we would have 6 dogs to every 9 cats in the shelter, waiting to be adopted. Let's try a different style of the same problem. So in this problem, we are going to do the ratio between how many ears the cat has and how many legs the cat has. So to remember, we'll put ears and legs. Then we need to count. There's 1, 2, 2 ears, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 legs. For every 2 ears that the cat has 4 legs. You are doing such an amazing job. In this example, we are going to be looking at foods students said that they liked the most in Miss Anderson's class. They were able to choose between pizza and tacos. First, let's count how many votes we got for pizza. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 votes for pizza. Let's put pizza at the bottom and put 12. Now let's see how many tacos votes we have. Let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tacos. So 12 students voted pizza and 9 students voted tacos in Miss Anderson's class, making the ratio 12 to 9. Let's try another way to view ratios when dealing with a bag of marbles. In the bag of marbles, we have blue and red marbles. If you were to pick a random marble out of this bag, what is the ratio between your chances of picking red over blue? So let's see how many red and how many blue we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red and 1, 2, 3 blue. If we wanted to grab a red one, we would have a 5 to 3 chance of pulling red out of the bag over blue. Therefore, the ratio would be written as 5 to 3. Now let's have you try a problem on your own. Therefore, you will be able to be comfortable with the topic of this lesson. In this ratio, we will be comparing how many orange fish to how many green fish were in Sarah's fish tank. Begin with counting how many of each fish. Remember, your goal is to see the ratio between them. Place the color of fish with more in the beginning of the ratio. As you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 orange fish. You should have came up with 9 orange fish in the fish tank. On the other side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You should have came up with 7 fish that were green in the tank. Now, if your ratio came out to 9 to 7, you did it perfectly. But remember, if you need more help, to rewatch this video as many times as needed until you feel comfortable with the lesson. You did such an amazing job today. I hope that you now feel comfortable in identifying ratio and ratio language and being able to pull the data from a real-world problem to identify the ratio of the problem. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel and comment below if you have any questions. We will be back next week with more videos.